Good morning, my dear students. Today we're going to talk about the magnetism and electricity. There is a relation between magnetism and electricity. We know right now we're going to say a magnetic effect of the electric current and electric effect of the magnet. First, we have iron nail, wrought iron nail, and battery, and paper clips. We want to know the effect of the magnet to the electricity. Now, the iron nail, we're going to rope around it. Okay, like this. And the two sides of the nail, two sides of the iron, wrought iron nail will be sticky to the battery. And we'll see the effect of the wrought iron nail to the paper clips. Here we see it will attract the paper clips, but if the iron nail alone, it will not attract the paper clips. That's what's called the electromagnet. So the electromagnet, if the iron nail stick to the paper clips, it will not attract, okay, because there is no magnet. But if I got the wrought iron nail and connect it around the iron nail like this, okay, and the two sides of the wrought iron nail, put it in the positive pole and the negative pole of the battery like this. You will see and approach the iron nail, it will be attracted to the paper. So the electromagnet, it changed from electric energy to magnetic energy. Again, electromagnet, going to divide these two words to separate it two parts. Electromagnet to change from electric energy to magnetic energy. Electromagnet is magnet which is made of electricity. Okay, so as I said before, the electric energy change to magnetic energy. When I ask you what is the structure of the electromagnet, electromagnet consists of there is copper wire. This is the copper wire, okay, it's the wrought iron nail and the battery, which when I connect or put the copper wire around the iron nail, wrought iron nail, and connect the battery, the two sides it become electromagnet, okay. the uses of the electromagnet. It's used to make disk drive, electric bell, crane, which is meaning winch, and it's used to make TV and mixer. Again, the use of the electromagnet, disk driver, electric bell, crane, which is mean winch, in other words, TV and mixer. If I ask you the question, give reason why the soft iron nail, is used for making the electromagnet. Why? Because the soft iron nail gain and lose magnetism easily. That's why I use the iron nail. So why I use iron nail? Because the soft iron nail is gain and lose magnetism easily. Here is another question. If I use one battery, is more enough to make electromagnet? No. If I use more than one battery, the intensity of the power of the electric current passing through coil increase. Again, so if I use more than one battery, if I have 2 or 3, it's more preferred for using to make electromagnet, because more than one battery, there is intensity of the electricity current passing through coil increase. So it will be good. You know the crane, which used to pick up a huge stuff, blocks. How does it work? This crane is used to change electric energy to magnetic energy. So if I cut the electricity, it loses the magnetism. Again, the crane, which is used to pick up huge blocks, it changed from electric energy to magnetic energy. If I cut the electricity from this machine, so they lose the magnetism and they will not pick up the huge block. Now we're going to talk about the electric. We finished the magnetic effect to the electricity. Now we're going to talk about the electric effect of the magnet. We finished the part 1. Now we're going to talk about the part 2. There is a science called Faraday. This is the science that discovered how to make the dynamo. So Faraday was the first one who make the dynamo. Dynamo is consists of copper coil and the magnet. Here is the copper coil, this one, and the magnet for make the structure of the dynamo. How the dynamo does it work? We say electromagnet again. We're going to make this. There's the electromagnet. From electric energy to the magnetic energy. But dynamo is from magnetic energy to electric energy. Again, electromagnet from electric energy to the magnetic energy. Like a dynamo is the opposite. It's from the magnetic energy to electric energy. Now, there is many structure for dynamo. Here is one, which if I try here to wait for the noisy. You will see that the lamp will light at the. Here is a magnet. It's transferred. The magnetic energy. It's changed to electric energy. So you will see that the lamp here will switch on. The light lamp will light. Okay, so the magnetic energy will change to electric energy, the structure of the dynamo. Here's other structure. There's two for the dynamo. And here is two. This is a magnet for the dynamo. This is the called ammeter. Here is the ammeter, other structure. If the magnet transferred to the ammeter, which show that the pointer of the ammeter, the point of the ammeter will work, that means that the magnetic energy changed to electric energy. Okay. So, electric current can be produced in a coil, dynamo, by number one, moving here, moving the coil inside the magnet, okay, or moving the magnet inside the coil. So moving the magnet inside the coil or moving the coil inside the magnet, as shown here in the instrument with this tool down here. Moving the magnet inside the coil, moving the coil inside the magnet. Okay, again, electric current will be produced in the coil by two ways: moving coil inside magnet or moving magnet inside coil. How to make a strong dynamo? There is two ways to make it strong. Number one, use strong magnet, huge magnet, not small one, to make a strong dynamo, and increase number of turn in the moving coil. meaning not making 2 turn or 3 turn. No, if you increase the number of turn in the moving coil, it will increase the power of the dynamo. Now we're going to say what's the example of the dynamo. We have small dynamo, and huge one. The small dynamo is used in bicycle. This structure, when we pedaling the bicycle, you see the light of the lamp will light, and the huge one which is used in the factories and the street. Okay, so the small dynamo, which is consists of small cylinder, have a U shape, okay, and connect to the coil. Okay, by moving the bicycle tire, the small cylinder turn and magnet move, so the electric current is produced in the coil. But the huge dynamo is used to produce a huge amount of electricity, lighting cities and the factories. So the example of dynamo, again, we have a small dynamo and huge dynamo. The small dynamo, which is used in the bicycle, as by moving the bicycle tires, the small cylinder turn and the magnet move, so the electric current is produced in the coil, and the huge dynamo is used to produce a large amount of electricity, like lighting cities and the factories. Now we finish our lesson. I hope you get interested. So see you next lesson. Bye bye.